Welcome back to my channel.
Hello beautiful viewers, in today's video, I am going to share a skin-loving concoction that will give your skin nourishment and a rejuvenating boost. I am talking about a DIY skin whitening and brightening face mask with 100% instant results. From brightening and lightening your complexion, smoother texture to combating dark spots and blemishes, each element plays a role in enhancing your skin's natural beauty. So, stay tuned to uncover how these simple ingredients can transform your skin. Before we continue, take a moment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description down below. Start by grabbing a clean mixing bowl and start adding the ingredients, which are 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of licorice powder, 2 tablespoons of rose petal powder, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder, and lastly, a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix all these wonderful ingredients together. To prepare the mask for application, add 2 spoons of the mixture in a separate bowl, followed by a little bit of raw milk to form a smooth paste. Apply this mask evenly on face and neck, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes while the ingredients work their magic, then rinse off with lukewarm water and follow it up with nice hydrating moisturizer. You will see 100% instant results. This is optional, but you can add few drops of lemon juice to boost its brightening properties. And your skin brightening and lightening pack is ready. Use 2 to 3 times a week for more long-lasting results. You can store the dry powder mixture for future use. Transfer in an airtight container. Keep it at cool, dark place, away from sunlight and humidity. Thanks for watching.